Well, we have found ourselves in New Hampshire. Why? Well, that's where Mark Brave's at. Who's Mark Brave? Well, I'm glad you asked. But first, I would like to note that 79% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Got your phone in your hand, get your laptop, click the button, and we'll move along. Also, on another note, there is a fucking storm moving through here again. So, that wind's blowing, I don't know, Mach 12. And it is raining. So if you hear that in the background, it's not the audio, it's the fucking weather right outside that window right there. I know you can't see it, but there's a window right in front of me. Anyway, Mark Brave, here we go. Brave wins election, becomes state's only black sheriff. Well, there you go. A candidate running on a promise of law enforcement reforms has become New Hampshire's only black sheriff. Well, that's all you need to know. It is not. Mark Brave, who promised to increase transparency in the sheriff's office and supports expanded use of body cameras, they can support that all they want to. The use of them, yes, but anybody seeing them, no, they're not so much about that. Defeated Republican Paul Callahan in Stratford County in Tuesday's election, according to the New Hampshire Secretary of State's office. He is currently a lieutenant who oversees standards and training for the Stafford County Sheriff's Office. Now, this is from November 5th, 2020. A 35-year-old Democrat who supports the Black Lives Matter movement, that should be a flag right there, Brave said he hopes to enact measures to ensure New Hampshire won't face a situation like George Floyd's death in Minneapolis. Floyd's death occurred after a white officer